Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix packet loss on CS2. Step 1 is to perform a speed test to measure your internet connection's performance. You can use reputable speed test websites or apps to get accurate results. Then ensure that your gaming device is connected to the router via Ethernet for a more stable connection. Next, restart your modem and router to clear any temporary issues. By using traceroute tools, you can visualize the path and pinpoint where the packet loss or high latency is occurring. Step 1 is to access the command prompt or terminal on your device. In Step 2, enter the traceroute command followed by the game's server's IP address to begin the analysis. On Windows, the command is tracery followed by the IP address, while on Mac, iOS, and Linux, it's traceroute followed by the IP address. First, install network monitoring agents like Datadog on your network. Then configure the software to alert you when packet loss exceeds a certain threshold. Now regularly review the monitoring data to spot trends and identify potential issues. While striving to fix high ping and address packet loss, remember you're not alone. Alternatively, if you're more hands-on, explore the game settings. Modifying the network quality settings can significantly impact performance, enabling prioritization of stability over visual quality, a vital step towards reducing high packet loss. A VPN can be likened to a hidden passageway that circumvents the chaotic battlefield of the internet traffic, offering your data packets a less congested and more efficient route. For the dedicated warrior, investing in a gaming router is like acquiring a finely crafted weapon designed for battle. A seamless gaming experience relies heavily on a stable connection. You can reboot your router to refresh your network, just like a good night's sleep rejuvenates a tired warrior. Then adjust the position of your router, like a scout finding the perfect vantage point, to improve its signal strength. In cases where Wi-Fi is as unreliable as a fickle ally, consider the steady hand of a MoCA adapter, turning your home's coaxial cables into a reliable high-speed connection. This can deliver speeds rivaling the most steadfast Ethernet connection, ensuring your packets travel with the speed and precision of a master archer's arrows. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.